Okay.
Look, it's a snow cookie. Sit, sit, sit. Good girl.
Io, you like the snow? Io, stay. Go get Daddy. Io, come. Oh, that was high. Look at the puppy. Io's first time in the snow. She's like, I don't know what this stuff is, but it's kind of fun. Hey, all we have in Florida is rain.
She's like a rabbit.
She's the rabbit, yeah. Pretty puppy. Oh. Ayo, is that good? You have water at home. She just wants to dig and like put her nose in it. Are you making puppy holes? You see when she gets to the part that's not touched, she like dives in. What is this stuff?
Hey, look at the ball. Look at the ball. Good girl.
Good puppy. Good, Ayo.
I got that on video.
Ayo. Go get it. Ayo, go get the ball. You wanna play with the other one? Ayo, go get it. Go get your ball. What? I can talk to you with my gloves. Look. Aya, get the snow. Aya, get the snow. Oh, she got that one. Aya, get the snow. Get it. Aya, get it.
Sorry.
Oh, I'm bored of this game.
Get him, Mom.
Aya, get your ball. Good puppy. Good puppy. Aw, you're muddy. You're real. Doofus. My doofus. Highest. Good catch, Ayo.
I can hear the ice cracking.
Be careful.
Go, get on.
Ayo, puppy, what you doing? Ayo, puppy. Hi, pretty girl.
Oh, careful.
What was that?
It's a rock. She went to grab it and it hurt her.
Aw. Ayo, don't break your toe. Pretty puppies. Hello.
Are her teeth okay?
I think so. She ate some snow.
Come in.
Okay, so we are in Banner Elk, North Carolina. We just got done skiing at Sugar Mountain. And now we're here to play with Io in the snow. This dog loves snow. She loves it. It's incredibly windy here, very gusty, very cold. It's about 27 degrees, I would say, with the wind chill. Maybe colder. Supposed to get down to 21 tonight, I think. Maybe 19. My hand is about to freeze off. Let her run. Aya, run! Go get the ball. Watching her bounce like a bunny is hilarious. Aya, what's going on? Are you in the snow? It was actually not as deep yesterday, so I don't think she knows what's going on. Yesterday she was about up to her knees in it, and now she's up to her body. I'm waiting for her to disappear into a drift. Careful, don't hurt yourself. Carlos has a cracked rib from snowboarding, as usual. Wow, it's flippin' cold. Really, really cold. Io! 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 Carlos! Io, come! It's a bag. Yeah, it's a bag. This is what Io chased after and worried us both to death. It's okay, Io, it's a bag. This is the parking lot of the hotel, and that's not that there's a lot of cars there. Holy cold. I have to put my glove back on.
Alright, turn it off. It's like Wile E. Coyote.
Why does she keep barking?
I don't know.
Is she stuck?
She's probably like it's freaking cold.
She likes it though. Look at her. She's so cute. Pretty baby. I love her cat. I know she expects that, or it surprises her every time. Oh, she got a face full of snow trying to get out. Are you okay? I'm sorry, I'm not a cowboy.
Before we can.
I love her face. She's got that wry face, like, yep, this is what happened. Aya, stop. Aya, go give it. Oh. Up, up. She's getting better at it. She knows where the deep part is now. He's like, fool me once. No, shame on you. On his face. Shame on me.
She was stuck.
Are you stuck? Oh, are you okay?
Now she approaches carefully.
She's had the experience of almost breaking a leg. Come
Like a rabbit.
Easiest way to get herself out of it.